Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you. Today I am making a lovely, healthy, delicious smoothie. Strawberry melon banana smoothie. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this.
Cinnamon, for your device, you know, say a chat box. I'm here represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J word, I hear a word.
Here I have yellow melon, strawberries, banana, almond milk, shea and flax seed, and some cubes of ice. Now I'm cutting the melon open after washing it. This is what the melon look like. Now I peel and cut the banana and the strawberry up. And here's the melon, the ice, and the flaxseed and chia seed. So now it's time to get into business. I'm using the Vitamix. Now I add the strawberries and the banana. Now I'm adding the flaxseed. Adding some ice. The melon. Now I'm adding the almond milk. Now it's time to blend. Yes guys, it's ready. I'm pouring it out into the cup. And there you have it, my lovely people. My smoothie is ready. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, man. Do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.